Today I'm going to show you how to create and manage WordPress posts, the heart of blogging and dynamic updates, even now in 2026. By the end, you'll know how to get your ideas out there, organize them for readers, and control how and when your content appears. Whether you're starting your first blog or keeping your site fresh, these skills are absolutely essential. Let's dive in. To get going with a new post, start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Posts, then Add New Post. This takes you to the editor, which looks a little like a blank canvas, ready for your words and images. WordPress uses a block-based system called Gutenberg. This means everything, your headings, paragraphs, photos, even lists, lives in its own block, so you can easily rearrange or edit them as you build your story. To add your content, look for the little plus button. It's your entry to a huge menu of block types. The most common ones are paragraph for text, heading for section titles, image for photos, and list for bullet points or numbered ideas. For example, if you're sharing a recipe, a list block is perfect for your ingredients. Don't forget, there's a shortcut to speed things up. You can type a slash followed by the block name, such as gallery, directly into the editor. This trick saves you from reaching for the mouse every time you want to add something new, especially handy if you're writing a long piece. Next, it's time to manage the settings that shape how readers find and see your post. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll notice all your metadata options. Categories are how you group posts by broad topics, think travel or recipes. Tags drill down to the nitty-gritty details like vegetarian, gluten-free, or maybe 2026 trends. This helps your readers and search engines easily make sense of your site. A featured image is also important. It's that eye-catching photo shown next to your post title on your blog index and social media, the first impression for new visitors. So take a moment to choose something relevant and sharp. Then there's the excerpt, a short summary that appears in lists and previews. If you skip it, WordPress will just grab your opening sentences, but writing a custom excerpt can help attract the exact reader you want. Don't overlook the permalink, which is the URL for your post. Editing this to include clear keywords instead of just random numbers or vague phrases helps with search engine optimization. For instance, your site com/easychocolatecake tells both Google and your readers exactly what to expect. When it comes to sharing your masterpiece, you've got options. You can save draft to store your work and return later, no pressure if you're interrupted or just not ready to hit publish yet. The preview button is your friend. Click it to see how your content will actually look on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Sometimes things don't appear quite as you imagine, so always double-check before going live. And maybe you want to plan ahead, just click on the date next to publish. Here you can schedule your post for a future date and time, a must if you want a steady flow of content without rushing at the last minute. Finally, review your status and visibility. You can choose to make your post public for everyone, private just for admins, or password protected for select viewers. This is especially useful if you're sharing something sensitive or exclusive. And that's everything you need to confidently create and manage posts in WordPress. If this guide helped, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy writing.